You write fear, and on the other paper you write expectations.
Bye.
Because I believe that at the end, this all will be a learning culture.
And also learning from mistakes and successes. We're humans, it's okay.
Chart. We have different roles in different fields. For volunteers, so I will put a star here.
Is it that Take it.
Yeah.
Managed to be done only.
Van Gogh volunteer. Reflect on the volunteering experience. Everyone has water, food and everything that they said at some point that to be an open and a smiley person.
So we talked about, first of all, about being part of the group and being accepted, and that being really important, that you have to meet people on their level and engage with them. If you're accepted to be part of the group, they will start to have a level of trust in you, and that's a really important thing.
Because we think that it's very important for the young people to be more active.
We are doing change in European Solidarity Corps and also Gay Action 3 and internships.
2 worldwide youth conferences in Panama and in Singapore for more than 250 young people. Our mission is to ensure that everyone in Ireland who wants to volunteer can volunteer.
In terms of organisation, Career Volunteer Centre roughly has about 700 active organisations on their books.
Even though we were born in 1998, we used to only do projects like exchanges and volunteer and internships. But now we do a whole local development work that we're really proud of and goes to several areas.
Basically, what United Society of Balkans do is they want to give time and space to young people to express themselves.
Basically the focus or the aim of Provopis is to provide support in Romania by training, consulting, doing research.
And we added more mission as a part of promotion of healthy lifestyle, fair trade and environmental education. We are also active in human rights education, cultural expression and giving opportunity to future opportunities.
And we use this fertility notion in a metaphoric way because we see our organization as a civic action meeting point where different projects can be developed by different people who want and share the same vision as us. One thing that we want to do is to empower youth workers and giving them new skills and capacity so as to work with youngsters and volunteers.
So this is an amazing tool to create a small community of students and bodies that they know, and where you can integrate foreigners in the culture, in the community, and also all the community to know more about different cultures, about other countries.
And the ages, if there is open to...
No way. As far as you can speak, and as long as you can listen, you can jump.
Okay.
We want to encourage children and young people from the poorest layer of society to take part in volunteering and see what kind of opportunities they have and how they can improve themselves.
A need or where we can act, okay, well, how we can change it. And then the first step was actually to involve them in inclusive volunteering.
That's me there. And the kids, you can't see that it is written, we are in field fight, which means we are diversity, they painted it. We are diverse, so they painted themselves. And how to become an ambassador of diversity? Participants must go through 4 modules, which take 4 days.
We exchange ideas, experiences, knowledge, so that's one important thing. We act, so we do programs and projects and engage in some activities.
Cultural nonprofit organization who was founded in 1995, so it has almost 25 years.
The mission is to seek for social inclusion of people who live with disabilities. My role is I work here as a EVS coordinator because they have EVS in this after school who will work with the children to improve their skills.
We had a really great time together, and it was really great to see people, especially kids, open their heart to you and share their fears and their dreams for the future. And that's what was really trying to do, to integrate them and boost their self-esteem, because many of these kids had really low self-esteem.
A bit in the shoes of the sociologist or the researcher in volunteering, not as being part as I was with you during this seminar. This is where I had my first interaction with a person with Down syndrome, and now I have lots of friends, and it was really, really empowering. And at that moment I felt like, okay, it's even huge. And I was still in high school, and here I was nominalized for the junior volunteer of the year.
I was born in 2007. This organization is believed that every community has the instruments to make life better.
We are representing System and Generation, which is established 2008 in Ankara, Turkey.
We are also members of Eurodesk. We work mainly with Erasmus Plus project, but we are also members of Annalyn Foundation.
We are mainly working in our city, Vídeo, in clean ecological environment. We organize cleaning actions, also art attacks, some healthy lifestyle workshops, and also we are fighting for the active participation of the youth in Vídeo.
Yes, see? Don't worry, don't worry.
Okay, maybe one more time.
Okay.
Someone I don't trust will be saying.
You need to pick your phone.
He's cold.